One of the purposes of money is defense. God does not want his people to suffer under the oppression of debt or waste away from the lack of resources.
God is the great provider. He demonstrated his care every day for 40 years while the Israelites crossed the wilderness. Money is one of the ways God provides a defense against
the evil of this world. But it's easy to slip from the defensive posture to the belief that money is intended to make us self-sufficient. Solomon warns us about this mistake.
Solomon, the richest man who ever lived, recognized the legitimate purpose of money. But he also saw that the only real treasure is something that cannot be purchased: wisdom.
In the Bible, the word for wisdom does not mean the astute application of information. Wisdom is the biblical term for behavior that please God.
Wisdom is godly thinking in action. Solomon knew that money is no security at all if it is not backed by a life devoted to God. Money is God's gift, not anyone's reward.
If I live my life with the accumulation of money as my highest priority, I will soon discover that the gift giver requires more of me than a large bank account.
I will wake up one day only to realize that in spite of my wealth, I am desperately poor in the things that matter most. For what will a man trade for his soul?
Money has its uses, but it is not the ultimate goal at all.
Do you maintain a proper perspective of money?